Welcome to our tutorial on how to prevent someone from seeing your album on Facebook. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device to access your profile. Tap on your profile picture to navigate to your profile page. Below your profile picture, tap on Photos to access your photo albums. Next, click on Albums at the top to view all your albums. Select the specific album you want by clicking on its title. Click on the three dots at the top right corner of the album page. Tap on Edit to make changes to the album settings. Then tap on Friends to adjust the audience who can view the album. Select Friends Accept to customize who can't see the album. Choose the specific friends you want to exclude from viewing the album. Finally, tap on Done at the top right corner to save your changes and restrict access to the album. By following these steps, you can easily control the visibility of your albums on Facebook and ensure your privacy preferences are respected. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to prevent someone from seeing your album on Facebook. Customize your album privacy settings to maintain control over who can view your content and protect your privacy on the platform. Explore these steps to manage your albums effectively and enjoy a more secure online experience.